Hi student. Okay, in this part I want to show you they have two function of the sine function, and I want to show you what is the difference. Okay, what is the phase difference between these two waveform. Okay, you have here combination of sine and sine function. Okay, it's the graph. Okay, as usual the graph is in radian. I put here in radian. Okay, the above side. Okay, the upper side is the in degrees. Okay, so your graph starting the first equation is V1 2 sine omega t plus 10 degrees. Okay, 10 degrees. The second graph is V2 equals to 2 sine omega t minus 50 degrees. Okay, the two waveform of the sine. Okay, now what is the phase difference? Okay, you can get from the zero crossing of or from peak to peak. Okay, here I get the phase difference between the zero crossing here. Okay, zero crossing, that means cut off at the zero for V1 here, and cut off of the zero for the V2 here. Okay, so the phase difference between these two waveform, we call it phase difference phi. Okay, the angle is u minus. Okay, for 50 minus 10 degrees. 50 minus 10 degrees, you get 40 degrees. Okay, obviously, okay, kita tengok which waveform is leading, which waveform is lagging. Okay, okay, the first waveform V1 is at the yang paling hadapan. So V1 is leading compared to V2. Okay, kalau you faham macam ni, okay, kaedah dia. Okay, sekarang wave 10 degrees, right? 10 degrees. Okay, yang ke ini V1. Okay, for V2, okay, V2 is 50 degrees. Okay, ini V1, this one is V2. Okay, so sekarang siapa yang mendahului? Who is leads for this question, kan? Kalau tengok dia macam ni, kan? Okay, sekarang ni yang ke bawah, yang ke atas ni leading. Okay, yang ni is lagging. So yang ke atas tu siapa dahulu? Okay, maknanya dia menghampiri yang dia leading, kan, macam ni, kan. So sebenarnya adalah V1. Okay, V1 is leading. V1 is leading to the V2. Okay, by 40 degrees. Maknanya di perbezaan dia lah 40 degrees. Okay, ni I terangkan, you boleh baca. Okay, kenapa what is the value, you just tolak lah. Okay, this the first example. Okay, the derivation of the angle ni I can explain. Okay, sebelah. Okay, at the next slide. Okay, here. Okay, to sketch the graph, okay, of Vt sin omega t plus 5 plus pi over 2, ataupun kita boleh draw back your equation Vt equals to sin omega t apa dia, plus 90 darjah, betul? Okay, 90 darjah. Pi over t 180 degrees over 2. 180 bahagi 2 dapat 90 darjah lah. Ini kan cara penulisan dia. So ini dalam radian, ni dalam degrees. Okay, from the reference kita tahu, reference kita untuk sin omega t macam ni, betul tak? Sebab sin kosong sama kosong starting macam ni. Okay, this is the reference for sin omega t. Okay, awak punya graph untuk reference awak. Awak kena tahu reference awak ni. Okay, now macam mana nak dapatkan the equation Vt equals to sin omega t plus 90 degrees? Bermakna sekarang graph you, okay, plus bermakna leading. Okay, plus makna leading. So here the graph leads 90 degrees or pi over 2. Okay, bermakna di sini sekarang daripada kosong ni dia akan berganjak ke sini, dia akan leads plus 90 degrees, dia akan anjak ke bahagian ke sana, okay, by 90 degrees. Okay, so berapa? 90 degrees. Okay, so sekarang you punya amplitude tak ada, satu. So satulah sekarang, satu. So sama satu ni amplitude. Okay, so Vt sin omega t plus 2, macam itulah pi over 2, sorry. Macam itulah kita dapatkan equation from reference berapa dia berganjak. Okay, so 90 degrees, so plus is leading, so dia berganjak ke sana, means plus means leading. Okay, next. Okay, lagging macam mana pula? Okay, yang sama cuma sekarang minus. Okay, ataupun equation u Vt sin, okay, depan ni satu lah kan, tak ada kan, sin omega t minus 90 degrees. Okay, minus ni bermakna dia lagging. Okay, kita tengok from your reference, kita tahu bentuk dia macam ni. Okay, so bila dia the graph is lag, kita tahu lag sebab dia minus. Okay, minus, okay, this one. Okay, lags 90 degrees or pi over 2, 180 over 2 dapat 90 degrees juga kan. So bila you buat graf dia, dia akan ke sana, ke sini lah, lag. Okay, ke lag. Okay, so dia akan lag by 90 degrees kat sini lah. Okay, kat sini starting point of daripada 0 ke sini. Okay, you dapat lagging 90 degrees. So equation dia t equal to sin omega t minus pi over 2 or omega t minus 90 degrees. Minus tu means lagging. Okay, daripada so you kena tahulah plus and minus tu apa. Okay, okay, the next example, okay, this one, okay, Vt 3 sin omega t plus pi. Okay, 3 adalah the value of amplitude, 3 is the value of amplitude. Okay, sin we know, plus is leading, okay, pi is 180 degrees. Kan, betul. So bila kita draw your waveform of the 3 sin omega t plus 180 degrees, daripada reference, you will just imagine the reference from 0. Okay, from 0 dia akan berganjak, from 0 kan, dia akan berganjak yang dekat 0 closing tu to 180 degrees. Okay, to 180 degrees. The amplitude is 3. Okay, amplitude is 3. So dia berganjak from reference, our reference here, right? Our reference macam ni. So daripada reference ni dia akan berganjak 180 degrees because of leading. Kalau lagging dia akan pergi ke sini lah. Kalau lag, okay, minus. Okay, but it's a leading plus, so dia akan berganjak ke arah kiri by berapa? 180 degrees. Okay, clear Okay, this is bagaimana how the rotation of from the trigonometric rotation from 0 to 360 degrees, okay, by waveform cosine and sine function. Okay, tengok macam mana, tak sama kan? Okay, so you can see lah the different, okay, by the function. Ini just nak tunjukkan macam mana dia punya pergerakan daripada 0 to 360 degrees, then the oscillation of the graph. Okay, now, okay, basic trigonometry graph, okay, daripada 0, okay, 0 degrees sampai sampai ke 180, 270 and last one is 360 degrees. Okay, but in radian you boleh tukar lah, maknanya pi over, and this one 0, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 2, okay, pi sahaja, okay, 270, 3 pi over 2. Okay, now from here, okay, starting here, yang di upper macam ni adalah leading. Okay, yang bawah ni kita panggil dia lagging for the degrees or in radian. Okay, so you can read again. Okay, they have one trigonometric graph yang it's combined both cosine function and sine function. Okay, seperti mana kita tahu, cosine function dia leads 90 degrees, right? So kalau pada graph ni dia buatlah, okay, yang belah sini adalah positive side, this one, yang ni adalah negative side. Okay, yang cos ni pun sama, ini positive side. Ini kalau kita buat pun dia punya ni kan 90 degrees kan. Cosine adalah cosine leads, okay, lead sine function by 90 degrees, betul tak? Okay, kalau kita tengok ni kan, macam tu. Okay, so kalau you nak buat by single graph sine saja boleh buat macam biasalah. Okay, macam ni kan, 360 darjah, okay, 90 degrees, 180 degree, 270 boleh. Kalau tak nak combine pun tak apa, combine pun boleh. Ni saya nak tunjuk bagaimana ada dua graph yang you boleh combine cosine function and sine function. Macam inilah bentuk graph dia. Okay, basic dia. Okay, so kalau kita ada satu graph, kalau kita ada satu value, contohnya example 1 ni, okay, 5 sin 4 pi t minus 60 degrees. Kalau yang tadi kita tahu kan, yang ni cos omega t, this one is minus cos omega t. Okay, yang ni kita tahu daripada graf ni, okay, sin ni Kalau arah sini dia lagging, arah sini dia leading. Tengok ni dekat mana? Dia adalah negatif. Okay, negatif bermakna dia lagging. So lagging dia ke belakang lah. Okay, so 90 degrees. Amplitude dia positif. Okay, positif. Okay, next contoh yang kedua, 5 sin. Okay, amplitude dia still lagi positif. Okay, sekarang dia positif. Positif makna dia leading. So dia punya equation sebelah sana. Ingat yang ni adalah cos omega t, yang ni pun negative cos omega t. Okay, so amplitude is positive side, betul. Sama sekarang ni dekat positive side kan. Okay, kita tengok kalau negative side ni amplitude macam mana. Now amplitude is negative. Okay, so sekarang negatif adalah lagging. So dekat atas lah. Okay, dekat atas sebab amplitude dia minus, so bahagian atas dia punya value. Okay, so nak tahu dia lagging or leading. Okay, this part is lagging. Okay, this part is leading. Okay, so now is lagging 90 degrees. Okay, example, the last one example, still lagi negative amplitude. Okay, but now the equation is leading. Okay, just put at the side of leading lah. Okay, the amplitude is still negative. This just for example, if you combine the two graph together. Okay, kalau dapat satu graph pun okay, boleh.